How to fix Facebook full screen issues. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and try to restart the Facebook application. So open the Facebook application and then force quit the app by simply swiping up and exiting the app. This will recover or resolve the temporary UI glitches in the app. See if that helps in fixing your issue, and if not, then open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Facebook and make sure the application is updated to its latest version. And if not, then go ahead and update the app as outdated versions break the full screen player. See if that helps, and if not, then launch the settings application on your device and tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, navigate to Facebook and tap on the offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. Also, swipe down from the top right of your screen and you will be led to your control center. Here, go ahead and disable rotation lock button if you have enabled rotation lock, as many full screen problems happen because rotation is locked. See if that helps in fixing your issue, and if not, then you can try to restart your iPhone, as restarting the device helps in fixing majority of minor glitches, and this will also reset display settings and fixes UI glitches. And if that does not help too, then you can try to completely delete the Facebook application from your device and then reinstall the application from your app store, as this will remove corrupted player files and install the newest version. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix full screen issues on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.